If you updated your NVIDIA graphics card recently, you need to watch this. The latest NVIDIA Driver update, version 595.59, caused serious technical issues for many users. This update affected the fan control system and GPU clock speeds, which can lead to dangerously high temperatures, especially for RTX series cards, including RTX 30, 40, and even RTX 60 models. Although NVIDIA quickly addressed the issue, if you are currently using version 595.59 and experiencing problems like GPU fans not spinning properly, high temperatures, performance instability, you should roll back to the previous stable driver version, 591.86. Here's what you need to do. Open NVIDIA's Update Software, GeForce Experience. Go to Drivers. Click on the three dots menu. Choose Reinstall or manually install the older version, 591.86. Restart your PC. If your friend owns an NVIDIA graphics card, send them this video immediately.